Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, open the app and go straight to General, then Keyboard. You do this because iOS centralizes input options here. Once you tap Keyboard, you'll see active keyboards and key settings. Make sure iOS is up to date and that any third-party keyboard app is installed. If an external keyboard is connected, disconnect it briefly so on-screen options appear. From this screen, you can add, edit, or reorder keyboards, so proceed to Add New Keyboard to continue. You'll tap Add New Keyboard and pick the keyboard you need, Apple's languages, emoji, or a third-party app. If you choose a third-party keyboard, install its app first and then select it here. Once added, tap it to configure layout and language options. Make sure to review any full access request. Allow only when you trust the developer because it can transmit typing data. Once configured, use the edit or drag handles to reorder keyboards so your preferred one appears first. You finish by switching to the new keyboard in any text field. Tap the globe icon or hold it to choose from the list. Test typing, autocorrect behavior, and shortcuts to confirm settings. If something feels off, return to Settings right arrow keyboard to tweak layouts, auto-capitalization, or shortcuts. If the keyboard does not appear, reinstall its app, toggle keyboards off and on, or reset keyboard dictionary in general, right arrow transfer, or reset iPhone right arrow reset. That usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.